Economists and investors weight the Cash Politics Board, MPC, to growth rates of 0.5% to %. Changes to the banking bet influence tens of millions of saving accounts, loans, and mortgages. Since banks use it as a link spot for the sum they pay savers and accusation borrowers. It would as well get the as-called banking bet to its highest standard with 2009. Investors are wager down there is more than rather than a 90% opportunity how concern rates will growth to %. Lot economists had anticipated rates to growth over. The UK economics advanced by fair 0.2% in the first 3 months of the year. Banking personnel trust the week was interim and wait the economics to extend by 0.4% in the other block. Time lot analysts wait else break judgment on Thursday. Continuous occupation increase, stable pay increase and a bounce in customer conducting are anticipated to excuse and growth. Economists at Goldman Sachs wait Mark Carney, the Banking of England governor, to distress how the August walk is a sluggish and stable move on the MPC's way to normalization. While the banking bet goes up, so should rates on mortgages and saving accounts. In fact, yet, he's not so easy. Sir Dave Ramsden, one of the banking's vice-governor corps, alerted savers never to wait banks and house societies to completely undergo on bet rises. He told the finance meltdown had caused a changing in the returns savers should wait. Time rates stay cheap, he told lot saving accounts were now offer high returns rather than banking bet. More profitable hypothec deals in latter year include as well emboldened human beings to castle in promoting rates. Such on-flat rate deals will sense no instant effect of a bet growth. Behind in 2010, fair 38% of human beings who took out a new hypothec flat their rates, on to the finance hold credibility. How drawing is now 90% for new mortgages, and couple thirds of all household loans. The Banking of England will as well produce its newest forecasts for economical increase, jobs and bloating on Thursday. Time pay is eventually start to outstrip cost rises, wages increase remnant humble by historic standards. Bloating, as measurable by the Customer Prices Code, Consumer Price Index, rose by 2.4% in the year to June. The is lightly reduced rather than the 2.5% bet anticipated by the banking in its prediction 3 months back. Joblessness, at 4.2% in the 3 months to May, is lightly high rather than the 4.1% forecasted by the banking. On Thursday, the banking will ensure and sign of the standard of the bet we should wait in regular times. In some speech, while bloating is stable at the banking's 2% goal and the economics is fleeing at its maximal rate range of year, these are not regular times. Time any concern bet rises are anticipated to be bounded and progressive. Mr. Carney has alerted how guide is not a pledge of the next way of politics. He told the definitive Brexit transactions was potential the largest essential element how would impact cash politics in the upcoming months and year, and added how the banking was prepared for all outcomes. In brief, guide is nice, but not sermon, and all bets are off in the occasion of a Brexit upheaval. Source: UK Financial, Money Facts, National House Community.